What's up, guys? This is John. Oh, mother. Okay. Bad start.
Fail.
What's up, guys? This is John with Buddhism Crypto. Welcome to all the new subscribers that we met at the Litecoin Summit. This is a great example of what we do in this channel. We're about to do some live technical analysis on Litecoin. Here's Crypto Poppy right here. Can you introduce yourself to the new subscribers?
Oh yeah, everyone at the Litecoin Summit knows me. So I do the technical analysis. I bring like Jonathan was telling everyone, bring the brains to the channel.
Exactly. I'm the producer. I'm just in charge of putting everything out there. And yeah, welcome, guys. Hope you guys enjoy our content. We'll be putting out more content as the days come on. So on today's episode, we're going to cover live technical analysis on HEX. In the future, if you want to give us some coins that you want us to look at, comment them down below. Subscribe to the channel, please. Like this video, and let's get started. Okay, let me get out of the way.
And now, lastly, Jonathan's favorite.
Oh yeah,
HEX. Paired with the USDC this time. We're not doing the market cap. So you could see HEX is fresh. We really haven't done anything on HEX. HEX looks good, looks very bottomed out. We could draw Fibonacci. Let's do it from this level here. So I'm looking at this red candle here. I'm looking at the top of the wick on December 27th, 2021. I'm going off to the side just so I can properly draw it. And we're looking for a bottom point. Is it this wick here on June 13th, 2022? Or is it this little green wick here on September 19th, 2022? I like the September point a little bit better. And just drag it out, click, we'll lock it into place. And let's just look at it. Let's see what HEX is doing. So HEX looks good. We have our swing high here on December 27th, 2021. Second point is here, September 19th, 2022. And I mean, we're just staying here. We didn't quite retest the 61.8 here at these levels in May of this year, early May, before just getting rejected. So I'm expecting HEX to at least go for it. I mean, it's already moving. So from current price to the 236, that's 120% gains. Beautiful, double your money and then some. To the 61.8, where I would assume HEX should be going, 385%, 395%, excuse me. And just by looking at HEX, I mean, it looks like it could do that in a very short amount of time. It would be right back up at the 61.8.
maybe like 2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah, if that, I could see just these candles just straight going up for it. So let me look real quick, see how in the past 2 weeks, it is up 70%. So in the past week candle, I should say it's up 70%. So Dogecoin, I mean, HEX, to me, it's just like Dogecoin. HEX could really go for the moonshot. I mean, I don't see why not. You know, it's been so bottomed out for so long, and HEX, once some volume runs into HEX, this is what you see. You see HEX pump, retrace, and then just moon. What do we have here? I can't even see it because it's in the way. You know, 350% gains in 4 bars. So in 1 month, you'll get 350% gains. That's really what HEX does. So I just see this as it's just loading up. A 70% movement in 1 week for HEX, it's just loading up. Loading up. Let's look at the daily time frame just to see how HEX looks. Zoom out. Let's adjust the chart and just look at it. You could see here from our swing high, came down, bounced around, came down, tried to retest before coming back down, moved sideways. We didn't retest the 61.8. A full retest of it. So I feel that the 61.8, that has to get retested. And if we zoom in and look at those daily candles, I mean, this wick needs to be retested here on May 7th, 2022. This green wick here, May 15th, 2022, needs to be retested. So let's get our drawing tools out here, our rectangle tool. And I'm looking at the top of this green candle to the bottom of the top of the candle body, I should say, to the top of the wick. Just extend it out a little bit more and adjust our chart. I still have to extend it because this is where I see us getting retested at some point. Let's just do this. This green wick right here on May 14th or May 15th, 2022, that wick needs to be filled. All wicks always get filled. So for HEX specifically, that's really what I would be looking at is for the 14.5 cent to 15 cent range. I would look for that to get filled if you want to see it over there on the right-hand side. 14, mid 14 cents to low 15 cents. That needs to get filled. And from current price to those levels, that's 225% gains. That's so much upside to, damn near triple your money. So HEX just looks good. That's a great setup for HEX if you're interested in trading that. Not financial advice, but look at that HEX on the weekly time frame. Just look at that tick up. And that's nothing. That's just a little tick. Look at that.
Compared to everything else, huh?
Compared to I can't even get it in the chart. Look at that. So much upside potential for HEX. And also what we were just talking about, that 14.5 to 15 cent level. Just look at that. You could just imagine just going straight up to it. Straight. And all you would be retesting is this red candle that just caused us to melt.
So it will retest the 0.236, huh? After hitting that rectangle, it will bounce back down to the 236, right? Okay.
So come up, retest these levels, bounce back down. And as long as these levels hold, we're going to the 61.8. 61.8 levels hold, all-time highs. All-time highs. That's a new Fibonacci level that would come into play.
So that level, the 0.618, that's like the make it or break it point, right?
The 61.8, yeah. So if we get rejected there, we're going straight to the downside, lower than the current lows that we just went through. But if we break through that, it's nothing but I would call all-time highs. I would call these levels here of 55 cents.
Yeah, 55.
55 cents.
Yep.
I would call that for HEX. So really with all of the cryptos across the market, we've been bottomed out for so long that some life is finally starting to come into the market. And
just to remind you guys, this is longer time frame, so keep that in mind. Don't get impatient. Don't get too anxious about selling your crypto. It just takes time. All of this plays take time to take play. But we've been when you guys looked at the Litecoin, it's been that trend line's still there. Everything's still looking good. It just takes time.
Exactly.
But let me see. That was it, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
All right. Okay, guys. So that was it for today's episode. We just covered Litecoin, Dogecoin, and HEX, and that's our kind of our prediction. Not financial advice. I will consider this not Litecoin, but Dogecoin and HEXcoin definitely a gamble. That's a gamble right there. And I'll do say this. I think you'll have a better chance of making money gambling on crypto than at a casino. I'll tell you that right now. But that's it for today, guys. I'll catch you guys up later.